Hello guys, today I'm going to be starting up the lawnmower today. It's been since last winter that I started it up. So, there she is. It's a 1997 Craftsman 42-inch deck. Let's get her all uncovered. Came out here earlier this morning. Got all the bungee straps off, but now I'm getting the bricks. So, she's a little old. But she's got a bagger system on it here. I got a string down there. If you can see it, it's yellow. It kind of holds it on there because it somewhat doesn't want to stay on. So, but I got this here. She doesn't like latching. The latch is gone. So, got to hold her on with the bungee strap. So, let's go ahead and start check the gas first. Make sure it's got gas in it. Yeah, it's got gas. Check the oil. Oil looks pretty good. So, let's go ahead and shut that down. I'm going to turn on the gas down here. Now, position you up here so you can see it start. Hopefully you don't fall. But, there you go. So, there you go. 1997 Craftsman 42-inch deck, 15 horsepower. First startup of the year. So, come at you with another video soon. Bye-bye.